Let's learn A to Z animals' name. A. A is for alligator. Alligator. B. B is for bear. Bear. C. C is for camel. Camel. D. D is for deer. Deer. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. F. F is for ferret. Ferret. G. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H. H is for hedgehog. Hedgehog. I. I is for iguana. Iguana. J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K. K is for koala. Koala. L. L is for lion. Lion. M. M is for mouse. Mouse. N. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. O. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. P. P is for panda. Panda. Q. Q is for quail. Quail. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S. S is for snake. Snake. T. T is for tiger. Tiger. U. U is for urchin. Urchin. V. V is for vulture. Vulture. W. W is for wolf. Wolf. X. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y. Y is for yak. Yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra.